Peaceful. Peaceful compared to what's going on in St. John as I'm doing this video. Once again, there's an explosion at the refinery in St. John. Are you surprised? Of course not. I'm surprised there's not an explosion every month. Why would I say that now? You see, in the 1990s, the Irvings cracked down really hard on the union at the refinery. They cracked down very hard, and they, what is union? Well, the Irvings sees union as, they got to pay them more money, more benefit, which the Irvings don't have no benefits here in New Brunswick. But what I'm getting at, after, what's his name again? Larry Washburn, it was the president. He's dead now. And they, oh my God, look at this. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Woo. Wow. Yeah, bumper right. Wow. Okay, got distracted. So, union usually is safety. That's what union is supposed to be, safety. If you see something that's unsafe, you have the right to complain because you have seniority. They're not going to say, well, you complain too much about safety, therefore, we're going to lay you off. But the refinery is no longer like that anymore. I remember Gulf Operators, racist company, turned around. I hit my plank. I hit a plank on my toe, on my foot. It hurt. So I said, I'm going to go and report it just in case, right? Oh my God, that was just like going to, that I created the biggest sin around. Big, huge investigation. Nobody dares to turn around and report that you've been hurt or report a safety hazard. So, the refinery, no, there's no surprise there. When you don't have a union, people are going to die. And that's exactly what's going on there now. I hope nobody died. And God bless everybody.